Just take a look at that color. Oh, it screams flavor and spicy. This is one lush bucket pasta, guys. This is my Korean style spicy garlic bacon linguine. We are gonna make the most epic pasta with so few ingredients you won't even believe, and it's gonna be spicy and garlicky and cheesy and pure bliss. Let's get going on the bacon part first of all, because you know what I always say, bacon makes everything better. Now I just want a little bit of oil to get the bacon started in my pan. Oh, and while I'm waiting for that to heat up, I almost forgot to let you know. So whenever I'm doing pasta, I always make sure I have my big pot of water on the boil ready to go, because for me pasta, like really good pasta, is all about timing. So as soon as that pasta is ready, I want to get it straight into the pan. I don't want to be waiting around for the pasta or waiting around for the sauce or you know, that sort of thing. It's a little bit of a dance. Okay, let's get back to the bacon. My pan's nice and hot. I'm going to add in my sliced bacon. And I just want to let that sizzle, do its thing. I'm really kind of not only after the bacon, but I'm after the bacon fat. Yes, I love to embrace the fat, everyone. So I use a fatty bacon because I love that kind of texture and flavor. If you're using a leaner bacon, just add a little bit more oil at the beginning. So while we're waiting for the bacon to get a little color in the pan, let's go back and talk about the pasta water. So I know that I tend to mess with the Italians quite a bit with my fusion pasta recipes, but if there's one thing that we can both agree on, Asians and Italians, that is cook your noodles nicely. I'm going to agree with the Italians on this one. You need lots of salt in your pasta water. That not only adds flavor into the pasta, it actually improves the texture of the pasta as well. So big pot of boiling water, a lot of salt. Let's go in here. Now that bacon is looking very good to me. I am now going to add in my garlic. So the reason I didn't start with the garlic was because I didn't want the garlic to burn while we were waiting to get that awesome color on the bacon. So garlic now goes in. Oh, I love that smell. Garlic, bacon, bacon fat, all the good things. Now we're going to get into the not so traditional ingredients now. We are going to go with some spicy Korean gochujang chili paste here. You guys know I'm all about the spicy. Now this guy, you know, I really like it because even though I'm saying spicy, it's not overpoweringly spicy, and it also has some really beautiful, almost like kind of smoky notes to it. Really great little pantry ingredient to have. So I want a big spoonful of that. And then I want some soy sauce here as well. Oh, that is smelling really good. Ah, look at that beautiful ruby red color, and everything is smelling so amazing. The bacon, the garlic, the gochujang. Oh, already this dish is giving me so much joy. Now, we want to go in with our pasta. I happen to have some fresh linguine here, but you could do noodles, you could do dried spaghetti. Anything is going to work here. The point is, don't overcook whatever noodle or pasta that you're using. This is fresh pasta, so it's going to cook really quickly. I'm pretty much just going to get it into the water and, you know, almost get it straight back out. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, pasta's looking good. I'm going to get it straight into that sizzling sauce. Now a little bit of pasta water here is going to be your magic bullet ingredient. So just take a little scoopful. That stuff is full of like starchy goodness, and that's going to kind of make everything glossy and thick in our pan. Now the trick here is to keep tossing and sizzling everything until that sauce is beautifully thick and glossy. Okay guys, this is the kind of magic I'm talking about here. Look at that lusciousness. All right, let's get this out onto a plate. Now, of course, we need some cheese here. And then let's get in here and make sure this tastes as good as it looks to me. Wow. That flavor, huge, whoa, and spicy. Oh, I love it. You know what's great about that is you get all that bacon, garlic kind of, you know, goodness, but then you get hit with that beautiful, you know, almost smoky kind of Korean gochujang chili flavor, and the cheese, and the pasta is perfect, and wow. Okay, I'm all about the carbs today. This is all mine. I'm not sharing. Oh, pasta always makes me so happy.